Welcome back to Love Vegan and this Thai cooking series brought to you from Thailand. So we are in Sala, a 5-star hotel in Samui Island, one of the most popular destinations in Thailand. We're going to be making this week whatever dish pops up on the screen with the aid of Chef Chi from the hotel here, and she is going to teach us how to make this popular Thai dish. We're going to do a whole series of some of the most tasty, beautiful Thai dishes, completely vegan. So let's get on with it. So the first thing you need to do is finely chop your garlic cloves and then just put them aside on a small dish with some pre-fried chilies. The rest of the ingredients are white onion, red pepper, some cherry tomatoes, cashew nuts, some spring onions, and of course some tofu. Next up, just quarter a slice of the white onion and then put aside, along with some red pepper cut up into some chunks. Don't worry about how you cut this, just as long as it's some edible chunks. Next up, spring onions cut into strips of about 2 inches each, and then dice up some tofu as much as you like in your dish. There's no kind of rules for how much you want. You can add as much or as little of each ingredient as you like. Okay, so on to the cooking. We need to add 3 teaspoons of vegetable oil to a pre-warmed pan. Just bring the oil up to a heat, and then you can add in the rest of your ingredients. So start off with all of your garlic and the chilies. And then just stir fry these. So you're looking to release all the flavors and release some of that the chili flavor into the oil itself. So just give it a stir, and just you'll be able to smell when you release the flavors of the garlic and the chilies. Next up, just add all the rest of the ingredients except the spring onions. We're going to save those till the end. So then just give everything a mix, and then just fry all the ingredients with the chilies and the garlic. We're going to add to this 4 teaspoons of soy sauce. Next up is 1 teaspoon of white sugar. And every time you add an ingredient, just give the pan a quick stir just to mix the ingredients in. Next up, half a teaspoon of salt. And then we're going to add 1 small ladle of vegetable stock. So just cook all these ingredients down, fry them up until they're ready. As you can notice, the chilies release quite a lot of flavour here. Add in your cherry tomatoes. Okay, and then just taste. You just want to make sure you've got enough salt, sugar, soy kind of combination. Just make sure it's right for you. At this point, just add anything extra that you need to add. If everything is good, then you can go ahead and add the spring onions. And just give these quick fry with the rest of the ingredients. As you can see, everything here is really well cooked, looking really good, and then your dish is ready to serve. It really is as simple as that.